Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. Kumusta kayo? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to form questions using KAILAN. The Tagalog word kailan means when in English. And today I'm going to show you some examples of questions using the word kailan. I hope that these examples will help guide you in forming your own questions, but take note that these are just a few examples and that there are other ways you can form questions with kailan. Let us begin. When you are asking about an actual event and when that event will take place, you can say kailan ang followed by the event. Halimbawa, kailan ang kaarawan ni Julie? When is Julie's birthday? So Julie's birthday is an event. By the way, the word ni in here does not work as an object marker, but a way to show possession. If you want to learn more about expressing possession in Tagalog and using possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives, I have a video discussing exactly that, and I will place the link at the upper right corner of this video and at the description. Okay, isa pang halimbawa. Kailan ang kasal ni Patrick? When is Patrick's wedding? Kailan ang selebrasyon? When is the celebration? Kailan ang simula ng klase? When is the start of class? Kailan ang graduation ng mga anak mo? When is the graduation of your kids? Kailan ang reunion natin? When is our reunion? Now, if you want to ask when an action of someone took place or will take place, you just start the question with kailan. No need to add ang after it. Halimbawa, kailan ka aalis? When will you leave? So we started with kailan, and then the person who will do the action, and then the verb. So it is in the future tense, aalis, because the action has not happened yet. Isa pang halimbawa, kailan siya bibisita? When will she visit? Or when will he visit? Kailan kayo nagpakasal? When did you get married? So if you will notice, we mainly use pronouns for the doers of action. But if you're not using pronouns, the doers of action will be placed at the end of the question. Halimbawa, kailan pupunta dito si Angelo? When will Angelo come here? Kailan nag-resign sa trabaho si Camille? When did Camille resign from work? Kailan bibili ng bahay ang mag-asawa? When will the couple buy a house? By the way, when we say mag-asawa, we meant a couple that has already been married. Isa pang halimbawa, kailan nakawala ang mga aso? When did the dogs escape? Well, there you go. That's it for today's video. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, you may subscribe to this channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.